Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to pass Gotranscript MCQ test. Before starting video, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel. So first of all, you must read Gotranscription guideline. This guideline rule is very important. You must read all these guidelines all the way to the end 1 to 2 times. This will help you during exam in MCQ test as well as audio test. Because audio test is very important, you need to apply all these transcription guideline rule into audio test. So, after reading this transcription guideline rules, let's start the MCQ test first. And to apply transcriber position, you must complete quiz 100% correct using our guidelines. Each question can have one or more correct answer. So, first question is, it is a problem test need to be. There is 5 different options and correct option of this question is C with this correct option of first question. And second question is the examination will consist two section. There is 4 different option and correct option is first one. The examination will consist of two section. Of is the correct option. And third question is how should you transcribe a spelled word? If you have any doubt, you simply check in transcription guideline using Ctrl plus F command. And you simply, if a speaker spells a word or a name, for example, my name is Anna, then you spell in this way, dash between the character. So according to the transcription guidelines, D option is correct. Third question. And fourth question is she said, I am 27. There is 4 different options and correct option is first one. She said, then comma, and then I am 27 with quotation. Fifth question. The correct form of time stamping. You simply check in transcription guidelines and time stamping format must be this and always in bold. So according to the transcription guidelines, C option is correct. Then sixth question. How should the names of the films, books, magazines, song titles, artworks, plays, TV and radio program, foreign expression look in the transcription? So you simply check in transcription guideline and move so this 15 points italicized film, books, magazine and etc. So according to the transcription guideline, C option is correct. Of sixth question, it should always be italicized. Seventh question, files are transcribed in Australian, English, British, American, Canadian. So you simply check in transcription guideline and you see use US American spelling, use only different spelling if a client asks, that is in the comments. So that's why C option is correct, American English. Eighth question, how should a worker transcribe the company name? the way it sounds according to the research on Google, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. So correct option of eighth question is A. According to the research on Google, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. If you any doubt, simply check in transcription guideline. You get the answer. Ninth question. Full verbatim starters. Why is this? So which is full verbatim starter? Example. If you any doubt, you simply check in transcription guideline full verbatim and there is starters. So this is starter. I went to the break and so on, and this is dash between the repetition character. So that's why according to the transcription guidelines B option is correct. 10th question. You should write numbers as numerals. So there are 6 different options, and if you have any doubt, you simply check transcription guideline about numerals. You get the answer of this question. So this is the numeral, and you move to the numeral section and you do this numbers. Spell out single digit number, use numbers, all other numbers 09, and this is money, years, age, percentage, measurement, mathematical equation, fraction, formula, phone number, and so on. You read this section, you get the answer, and correct answer of this 10th question A, B, and age, money, measurement. So except C, all option is correct. So after all, you need to click on confirm. After clicking on confirm, you move to the next page of Gotranscript audio test. So I will provide link of this audio file in video description. You simply check out. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, leave a comment, and please like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.